Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create account on Venmo app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, I'm gonna go ahead open my app right over here, and then you're gonna find this option of create account at the bottom. Tap on create account, tap on get started, but before choose what the purpose is for, and tap on get started right away. Now go ahead, add your phone number, tap on send code. You will get a verification code on it. Go ahead, provide it. Then afterwards you have completed that, you will get to the another interface where you will have to provide further information as Venmo will require for you to create your account. Once you have provided all of the information correctly, you will be able to create yourself an account accordingly. Now once you have created your account, you can go to your profile settings and you can add further details according to you. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.